Hi everybody, welcome to the Paradise. Today I'm gonna talk about with you one website. It's called ethancoin.vip. I'm gonna mainly touch their highlighted information that I have found from their website. But before going into the detail of this video, I would like to highlight that it's just it's totally up to you whether would you like to continue with this website, would you like to continue with this coin or not. It's totally up to you. What I'm doing is just giving information that I have found from the Google or their social media account or their Twitter, Telegram and so on. That's why it's not an investment suggestion. You just need to decide by yourself. Now let's get started to the video. So guys, this is ethancoin.vip. In this website I'm gonna mainly touch their subsections beginning from home about how to buy tokenomics and continuation with roadmap and contact. So let's begin actually with the formal description of this formal copy address. So as you see, this is the PinkSale partner audit. You can actually copy this by clicking them. You will be directed to the website where you can actually see max total supply holders, total market stuff, and also there's a token contract. With this you can click this and copy the address of this, and transactions and some other things is shown in this website. After this guys, so you need to talk about we need to talk about the about section. Rise above the hype, imperance Ethan the mighty eagle, the true icon of meme coin greatness. So what's going on in this website is that Ethan is here to restore stability and honor to the meme coin world. With a fair launch, transparency and the commitment to the community, Ethan represents the coin that stands the test of time. Let soaring spirit of Ethan guide us towards a brighter and more meme-tastic future. As you see with the logo of eagle, the ethancoin.vip more like inclines to talk about the stability, the transparency, the launching, fair launch and commitment and some other thing of this in this community. But coming to this how to buy section, there's a 4 step that you need to follow. The first one is create a wallet. You need to download the MetaMask or your preferred wallet to the App Store or Google, to Play Store, absolutely free. It's total absolutely free. You can also go download from Google Chrome as an extension to your Google Chrome browser. The second one, after creating a wallet, you need to add Ethereum. So how you can do it, like, do not worry guys if you don't have any Ethereum yet, because it's written that in this you can easily purchase it directly on the MetaMask, transfer from another wallet or buy it or another exchange and send it straight to your wallet. Start your Ethan journey and to then join the meme revolution. The third one is about go to Uniswap. The Uniswap guys is the connecting to Uniswap, visiting the app.uniswap.org on the Google Chrome. By the way, .org is a more official website, looks more official website. Within your MetaMask app, connect your wallet and paste the Ethan token address. Choose Ethan and verify your selection. Once promoted by MetaMask, sign to complete the transaction. And the final step is about exchanging your ETH for Ethan. To buy Ethan, connect to the Uniswap. Visit app.uniswap.org on Google Chrome or the browser within your MetaMask app. Connect your wallet and paste the Ethan token address. You can do the other compilation steps in order to tokenomics. One of the important parts of this ethancoin.vip is about token supply. As you see this amount of number in the website. And more interestingly is 93.1. It's about the PinkSale launch plus liquidity pool, and 6.9% is locked for CAX listing. It says that no taxes. It's as straightforward as it gets. That means that it's so easy to do it. With 93.1% of tokens allocated to the fair launch that will take place on a PinkSale and liquidity pool. The remaining guys, 6.9% of the token supply will be locked and will have a linear vesting of 10% months for the future centralized exchange listing and breach. The Telegram group, you will get much information about this, and also there's a Twitter where you can see different tweets of this ethancoin.vip in different contents. For example, live this swap, join the sky, and so on. So many tweets will give you overview, will give you broad overview, any other perspective in order to if you would like to continue with the investigation with this website, with this ethancoin.io, PinkSale fair launch and PinkSale partner audit. As you see in this website, you can see they make sure the website is PinkSale Finance, and pre-sale starts in 1 day, 20 hours remains comes for a fair launch. After fair launch, as you see, more detailed information giving in here. After this, in a GitHub they have some very beautiful like presentation information, detailed stuff, where you can get this introduction and much information about this. That was all what I wanted to share with you guys.
Won't that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.